Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fine, fit, and taking good care of yourself. You all know me. I'm your English teacher, Archana Singh, welcoming you all to the English class. Okay, so in our previous class, we have done the spark in the dark with AR sound words. We have learned yesterday a lot of sound words, right? So today in the exercise we will try to find out how many AR words are being used. Okay, so the first one is, you can see here, see the picture and write the name under it. See, there are so many AR sound words, right? First one I have done for you: shark, 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 CART, cart, CARD, card, PARK, park, DARK, dark, CAR, car. All these pictures and the words which are written over here, that consist of AR sound words, right? This you have to do it in the book itself, no need to do in the copy. That the second one, fill in the blanks, you have to do in your copy. See, choose words from the help box and fill in the blanks. Sarika is a smart girl. Her mom and dad have gone to a party. She is alone in the house. She sees a spark in the dark. It is gem. They take the gem to the queen. Okay, from the help box I have written the words and I hope you have all understood it, and you have to do question number 2 in your copy. Okay, 1 and 3 you have to do in your book itself. Number 3, we have read a lot of AR sound words in the story. Let's have fun in filling the following crossword and set some AR words using clues. See, we have to solve the crossword puzzle using AR sound words. Yes, we have learned a lot. So see, I have done also, and I hope that you will be also. Doing the same. So CARD, card, BARK, bark, SPARK, spark, PARK, park, HARD, hard, PARTY, party, STARS, stars. So these are the crossword puzzle. I have solved it here. See, down means in the down arrow the words have been solved. The across means the across arrow the words has been solved, right? So you send this to wish someone. Yes, card. I've already said. A small fire, spark. You invite your friends on your birthday party. You see many of them at night. That are stars, right? Across, a cat mews and a dog barks. Opposite of soft, hard. A place where you play. Park. A big fish is a spark. This you have to do in the book. No need to do in the copy. But the question answers you have to do in your copy. So let us discuss the question answers too. Answer the following questions. Where is Sarika sitting? Sarika is sitting in the park. What does Sarika see in the park? A big black snake with a mark on its head. Who drops the gem in the park? The owl drops the gem in the park. What does the queen give to Sarika? She gives a big toy shark to Sarika. Okay. So today we have discussed 1, 2, 3 and 4. From that, 1 and 3 is to be done in the book, and 2 and 4 is to be done in the copy as well as in the book. Okay. So that the record will be there with you as well as with me also, right? So I hope you have all understood what you have to do, and I have also explained one by one, and I think you will be not confusing. You will be able to write. Okay, so I'll again explain again the question answers. I'll explain. Please listen carefully and follow. Where is Sarika sitting? Sarika is sitting in the park. What does Sarika see in the park? Sarika see in the park a big black snake with a mark on its head. Who drops the gem in the park? The owl drops the gem in the park. What does the queen give to Sarika? She gives a big toy shark to Sarika. Okay. So I hope you have all understood the question answers exercises of the chapter. I think there will be no issues. If I am there to help you out, you are most welcome to ask me anytime. So by this I'll end my class, and I hope you will be able to write it in your copy as well as in your book, as I have already done. So all of you, take care, stay fit, stay healthy, stay at home, respect your elders, your teachers, obey them, and do your work assignments on time, send them on time, and study hard. Okay, so all of you, bye, take care, and have a nice day. Bye students. Bye.